Welcome to the NSX Troubleshooting Training Program. In this course, we are going to take a structured and practical approach to diagnosing and resolving issues in VMware NSX environments. This training is designed for administrators, network engineers, and architects who want to build deep troubleshooting skills across the NSX stack. We will begin with the course introduction, where I will talk you through the course logistics, learning path, and objectives. By the end of this training, you will have a clear methodology to troubleshoot NSX components systematically instead of relying on a trial and error basis. Next, we move on to NSX operations and tools. In this module, we will learn about the native troubleshooting tools available in NSX, how to configure syslog and IPFix, and how to integrate NSX with VMware RE operations for logs and networks. We will also explore NSX API commands, which are extremely powerful for diagnostic and automation in real-time production support. The third module focuses on the NSX management cluster. Here, we will understand the architecture of the NSX Manager cluster, how cluster services operate, how nodes communicate with each other, and how to troubleshoot cluster formation and stability issues in the production support. After that, we cover infrastructure preparation, where we analyze the common problems related to ESXi host, edge node, and transport node preparation. Since many NSX issues originate from the underlying infrastructure, okay, so this module is critical for real-world troubleshooting. In the logical switching section, we will dive into VDS integration, virtual distributed switch integration, then overlay segments, switching architecture, and the most common connectivity issues that occur at layer 2 within NSX environments. Then we move to logical routing, where you will learn how tier 0 and tier 1 gateways function, how routing protocols operate, and how to diagnose north-south and east-west routing problems. Next is security. Security is another major pillar of NSX. So in the security troubleshooting models, we will examine distributed firewall, gateway firewall, then intrusion detection system, intrusion prevention system, and also we'll learn how to identify policy misconfiguration versus data plane enforcement problems. Next, in troubleshooting services, we focus on NSX services such as load balancer, IPsec VPN, layer 2 VPN, and other networking services. These components often involve multiple layers, so we will use a structured approach to isolate failures. Finally, we conclude with the datapath walkthrough, which is one of the most important modules from production support perspective. Here, we will perform packet flow analysis, capture traffic at different points in the NSX datapath, and use NSX CLI commands to trace how packets move through the system. By the end of this course, you will not only understand how NSX works internally, but also gain the confidence to troubleshoot complex production issues efficiently. So if you are interested, please contact the number which is given in that screenshot, and then register for NSX troubleshooting training.